In the UK, the safety of employees in the workplace, not just a priority, it's the law. Under UK legislation, it's clear that every business has a legal obligation to provide first aid training to its employees. Whether you run a small business, a large corporation, or work in any sector, the Health and Safety First Aid Regulations 1981 apply to you. These regulations mandate the following: assess your first aid needs based on your workplace risks, provide necessary first aid equipment and facilities, appoint a competent person to oversee first aid, ensure first aiders are properly trained. This means by law, you must have first aiders in your workplace. They need to be trained, qualified, and ready to respond in the case of an emergency. Non-compliance can result in serious consequences, including fines or legal action. Stay compliant with the UK law, protect your workforce, invest in first aid training today. Because when it comes to safety, the law is on your side.